The signal's stronger this way. Whoa, a crashed helicopter!
All right, stay close. Watch for roots. Got it. This thing's heavy. Path's clear ahead. Good. Let's move. Initiating full body scan.
Copy.
Right side scanning. Roof section next.
On it.
All right, first blade. Lining it up now. Looks good. Go for it. Locked in. Next one. Aligning the HUD module now. Copy. Nav system synced. Check the power feed. Stable at 28 volts. Initiating ignition sequence. All systems green, clear for ignition. Ignition confirmed, thrust building.